Twente Airport at Technology Base, the place to develop sustainable aviation and new forms of mobility, combining a strategic location, ample airport time and space, and great facilities. Twente Airport is at the very heart of international aviation's sustainability efforts. Aviation must reinvent itself to be climate neutral by 2050. Innovation programs require airport time and space for extensive experimenting and testing. Time is often an issue at regular airports, where it's generally very busy, and space is often an issue at small airports, as they simply lack the required surface area. There are no testing opportunities at regular large airports due to lots of air traffic, while smaller airports have too few facilities or too short a runway. Twente Airport does tick all the boxes, thanks to its large open space, well-maintained, and a long runway and quiet airspace. It's much more geared towards testing, validating, and certifying innovations. The presence of high-tech companies on the premises, the proximity of the University of Twente and regional businesses make Twente Airport the ideal test airport. We facilitate anything from the development of creative ideas to the testing of new, innovative products, and from extreme condition braking performance assessments by Airbus to steeper approach path trials by the Netherlands Aerospace Center. Twente is a frontrunner when it comes to smart firefighting software and large area security drone surveillance. A unique exemption allows for the testing of experimental, non-certified technologies in a closed environment, enabling us to further develop unmanned aerial systems in collaboration with partners such as Space 53, the University of Twente, Delft University of Technology, and Saxon University of Applied Sciences. Twente Airport offers a safe environment for errors. This is essential for accelerating innovations with the goal of increasing public safety and security. Electric flying is one of the sustainable alternatives for regular aviation. In addition to working on this development, Twente Airport offers a direct link to practice. Thanks to the presence of a mobile charging station, pilots can test fly zero-emission aircraft. Testing and training programs at Twente Airport also include flying on hydrogen, unmanned flying taxis, drones for urgent transport, and integration of drones in urban environments. We provide these innovations time and space to grow into full-fledged new forms of mobility. Our fully operational airport is located in a secured, fenced-in area with flexible airside access and more than 20 aircraft parking spaces. The airport has ample land with access to the runway to accommodate new ventures like production of new aircrafts. Locating your business at Twente Airport means you can test, innovate, develop, and pioneer on your doorstep, whilst having access to runway and airspace.